Hi, I'm Nicole Denman, a partner at Denman Perlman, and I want to talk to you today about something really exciting and important. We've received a ton of questions, and it's been in the media lately. It's the restoration of voter rights for convicted felons. So on November 6, 2018, voters by a wide margin, 64% to be exact, voted for the restoration of voting rights for convicted felons in the state of Florida. What that means is if you haven't been convicted of a murder or a sexually violent offense, and you have been convicted of a different felony, you can in fact have your voter rights back. That means that you have to complete your sentence. So a prison sentence, county jail sentence, or probation or parole sentence. Once that's completed, your rights are automatically restored. This is a step in the right direction. If you have any questions, feel free to call us or message us on Facebook at Denman Perlman.